Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. In this video, I've shared how to prepare classic chocolate chip cookies healthy way using whole wheat flour without using maida, no egg, no butter, no sugar and no milk. I've taken 2 ripe bananas. Bananas complement well with chocolate flavor and they also reduce the amount of sugar needed in this recipe. Chop them into small pieces. Mash them well with a fork or make a smooth paste of it using a blender. The banana is now mashed well without any lumps. Next, I've taken 3/4 cup melted and cool coconut oil, preferably use extra virgin coconut oil. Take 1 cup powdered jaggery. Use organic jaggery which doesn't have any impurities. Also, take 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Use 1 tablespoon if you're using vanilla essence. Use a whisk or a handheld blender and blend the coconut oil well with the other wet ingredients. Now take a sieve. Take 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Add 1 tablespoon corn flour. Corn flour acts as an egg replacement in this recipe. It's a magic ingredient in this recipe, makes the cookies soft and delicious to eat. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon salt. Mix the dry ingredients well. Now sift the flour. Sifting is important as it breaks the lumps as well as incorporates some air into the flour. Now mix to combine the dry and wet ingredients. The cookie dough is now evenly mixed. Use half cup of chocolate chips. Use baking chocolate chips as it holds the shape even after baking. And use dark chocolate chips for a vegan option. Now fold in the chocolate chips with the cookie dough. Now cover and refrigerate the dough for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, use an ice cream scoop or a 1 tablespoon spoon like I've used here to get uniform cookie balls. Scoop out and make round cookie balls. Place them on a baking tray, leaving enough space between them. Gently flatten the dough as the cookies with whole wheat flour doesn't spread much while baking. Top up with more chocolate chips. Now, bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius fan forced mode or 200 degrees Celsius normal mode for 10 to 15 minutes until edges starts to turn slightly brown. For baking without oven, I've taken a thick bottom stainless steel pan. Take any plate with an elevation at bottom. I've taken an Italy plate. Place the plate inside the pan. Close and preheat in medium flame for 10 minutes. Now take a plate, brush with oil and line with baking paper. Also brush with oil over the baking paper. Place cookie dough leaving enough space in between. Slightly flatten the cookie dough. Top with more chocolate chips. Now place the plate inside the preheated pan. Cooking time in pan will depend on the type of pan used, stainless steel, iron or non-stick, and also on the type of cooktop, induction or open flame. Cooking time varies between 10 to 25 minutes, so check the cookies every few minutes. The oven baked cookies are now ready after 20 minutes. Rest in baking tray for 10 minutes, then place them on a wire rack to cool down. The cookies have crispy edges with soft and chewy texture inside. Now, after 25 minutes of cooking in pan, again cooking time varies. The cookies are ready once the bottom starts to firm up and edges starts to brown. Do try out this easy, healthy chocolate chip cookies and share your valuable feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.